Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today I am going to be working on the trunk. The weather is not going to change. It's going to be cold. I'm not going to be able to really pull this out. It's just rainy and wet, and I don't want to sink my car in the grass. My garage, I got a 2-car attached garage, and then the garage that I work in, it's actually it's a garage, but it's like an oversized shed. It's just a 16 by 24 inch or 24 foot garage space area that I have to work in. And between the two is just grass. So I got a garage door that opens on the back of my other garage that leads back here that I can pull the car in. But when it's really muddy and stuff, it leaves prints in the grass and it just kind of rips it up. So I'm just not able to pull it out right now. So we're gonna go ahead and just work in the garage and deal with the dust and stuff like I have before. So let's get started. So here's a trunk, and what I did is I disconnected all the lights and the wiring harness here. I do have one more wire that I need to disconnect, which is right here, which goes up to the trunk light. So I'm gonna disconnect that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull these in to the interior and just set them in the back seat here. And then after I get that done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some cardboard, I think, and then put it up against those holes to try to eliminate some of the dust inside of the car here. So let me get that done and then we will continue. Okay, so this isn't very pretty, but it's gonna do the job. So I got this all, get that all cardboarded up. And then up here, we're gonna go ahead and put some cardboard up here as well. And then, yeah, after that, we're gonna get the angle grinder out like we did before and start just going to town on this. So let's get started. Alrighty, so after I wire wheeled everything and I got it all scraped out, this is what she's looking like. A lot of stuff that you're seeing, like down in here, it looks like rust, but it's not. It's like a primer that's coming through, but this is all scuffed. So, and I got it wiped down with a wax and grease remover. I'm actually gonna be wiping it down again, but before I do that, I'm gonna hit it with a vacuum again. And then we're gonna be using some rust reformer, because back up in there is a little bit of rust. Okay, that's just old paint. I wasn't sure what that was, but so there is some rust back in here, and I got as much as I could with my wire wheel. However, yeah, it's really hard to reach back there, and it's just hard to get to it. So the rust reformer, what that's going to do is that's going to actually just convert that rust to metal. And the stuff that I got here, it's a 2-in-1, so it reforms and seals. So it's just Rust-Oleum. And since this is a trunk, after I do that, I'll probably be spraying like what's down in here, which is bed liner. So I'll probably be doing that again. So let me get you all set back up, and then I'll get to vacuuming and cleaning. So let's get to it. this paint here, I ended up putting about 3 coats on or so. It looks really spotty. It's just drying right now. I didn't realize that on the can it said it is a rubberized coating too. It's more or less, I think, for undercoating on chassis of the cars and stuff. So that's good to know. So I'm gonna let this fully dry. It says it'll be dry to touch in an hour, which I know that, you know, it's getting there, some of it. I was just editing videos for a little bit, and then I just thought I'd come back in and check on it. But it's looking really good, and I'm pretty happy with it. The only thing I'm not really happy about is just the texture. So it's a trunk, and I know that they sell that carpet stuff that you can put down in the trunk, so I might actually just do that. But after this dries, we're gonna see where it's at and see how durable it is. I'm gonna try to scratch it and scrape it and see if I can get it to see how durable this stuff actually is. So, but this is where we're at. Well, everybody, this is actually gonna be a pretty short video for y'all, which is fine. Yeah, it's not fully dry. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I just need some time to think it over and figure out what I'm going to do in the trunk. But I guess it's pretty good to say, and it's pretty official, that most of the interior of the car is actually done, except for that little portion of the trunk. So yeah, let's just hope for some nicer weather here within the next couple weeks so we can get to going on the body work. Thanks again for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you would. Hit the little bell icon. You guys know the drill. Thumbs up. It helps me out. And we will check you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.